Welcome to the Brinkmann 5-burner gas grill with smoker video assembly guide. Attach left side table front panel to left side table using 3 M6 by 10 mm bolts and star washers. Tighten bolts securely. Attach left side table to left side of grill body assembly. Place left side table keyholes over the pre-attached bolts and slide back. Tighten securely. Fasten left side table front panel to grill body with 1 M6 by 10 mm bolt and star washer. Attach side burner front panel to side burner assembly using 3 M6 by 10 mm bolts and star washers. Tighten bolts securely. Attach side burner assembly to right side of grill body assembly. Place side burner assembly keyholes over the pre-attached bolts and slide back. Tighten securely. Fasten right side table front panel to grill body with 1 M6 by 10 mm bolt and star washer. Remove 2 M4 bolts and spring washers from the side burner valve. Insert the side burner valve assembly through the hole in the side burner table base. Then firmly seat the valve nozzle into the burner venturi. Hold in place while you perform step 6. Place the bezel over the control knob mounting stem and position over holes in side burner base and side burner valve assembly. Attach with 2 M4 by 10 mm bolts with spring washers which come with the valve. Then install the side burner control knob onto valve stem. Align bezel with stop pin toward bottom as shown. Attach side burner igniter lead wire to the electrode as illustrated. Place the side burner grate onto the side burner table. Insert the support racks into the holes on the inside walls of the smoker. Slide the smoker cooking grills and wood chip water pan support onto the support racks. Then put the wood chip water pan onto the wood chip water pan support. Place the smoker grease tray into the smoker chamber under the burner. Insert grease tray in back of grill, then hang grease cup on brackets under the grease tray. Place the heat distribution plates on lower level of grill body assembly directly above burners. Place cooking grills on support ribs directly above heat distribution plates. Insert warming rack onto brackets so that it sits above the cooking grills. Remove igniter cap and insert battery with position end of battery toward igniter cap. Ensure spring is in place inside igniter cap. Replace igniter cap and make sure the igniter is properly working.